let's see what this question has to say to us. It says, oh, it's not saying anything, it just has a figure. So AD is, what is AD? AD is equal to DC. Oh, okay, so I see. So probably I think it would be best if I kind of like draw a shape. Yeah, that would be great. Okay. So basically, it's an isosceles triangle that this side and this side is equal, and it has a line. I'll try to be as accurate as possible. Let's try it. Yeah, not that bad. Okay. And it has a 90 angle, and the question has basically stated that AD is equal to AC. Let's draw it out. A, B, C, and this is D. And he said this and this are equal. And this side is A, and this side is B. Okay? So quantity A is AB over 3 and area of BCD. Area of B, C, and D. So why don't I make this triangle a bit more realistic, or probably make it by using easy to use numbers? So what if I say, because there is this easy triangle that I can use because I'm interested in finding the area, right? So why don't I use 3, 4, 5 triangle in this case? So if, and a B is going to be, in that case is going to be, so B is going to be 8 because I need to make this 4, and I want this to be 5, okay? And that I can easily get this, perpendicular, which is going to be 3. And am I breaking any rules? Okay, so let's see. So if I have a triangle which has 5 over here, 5 over here, 8 over here, so 8 needs to be less than the other sum, which is 10, and 8 needs to be bigger than the other two, which is 0. Okay, so everything checks out. I have not broken any rule. This triangle is completely valid. So now that yeah, go ahead.
For this question, I remember a short trick that they did.
Okay. So don't tell me now. Let me complete it, and once I do that, then you tell me, okay? Because I don't want to cheat. Okay. So now that I have everything ready, what's gonna be the area of B, C, and D? So the area of B, C, D is gonna be half. What's the base? 4. What's the height? 3. So this is gonna be 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay. And what is A? A is 5. What is B? B is, oh, sorry, what is B again? Oh yeah, B is 8, sorry. B is 8. Oops, sorry, not 8. 8t, it's 8. 8 5s are 4t times a 3. So okay, so can I multiply 3 on the both side? Yeah, I'm gonna get 40. 6 3s are 18. So you can see the gap over here, and no matter what I do, quantity A is definitely gonna be bigger. Okay, Nina, what was your shortcut?
It was like for finding a area of BCD,
Mm-hmm.
we know that triangle is half, and
Triangle.
then
Triangle is
like half,
half of rectangle.
no, base and area.
Uh, Half base times height. This is the
Yeah,
area.
base times. Yes, and
Okay.
for this case, we know that B will be B by 2
Oh
for
yeah.
triangle
Oh yeah.
BCD.
So
Yeah,
BCD, it's gonna be half times B by 2 times.
yeah,
Oh, so I have no variable for the height. Let's call it
yeah.
H.
But we know that A will be less than the A in this diagram.
A will be,
Like height will be less than A in this diagram.
okay. Then.
But even if we put A here, still we have this quantity less than quantity A, because this
Oh,
will be AB divided by 4 and that is divided by 3.
okay. I see what you're doing. Okay, that's really clever, by the way. So you're basically saying, okay, this is half, and this is b by 2, and let's represent height in the form of a. Let's call it uh, a little height is a little less than a. So I've dropped a little negative sign here, and over here I have a times b over 3. So if I kind of like do some simplification over here, I'm gonna be like, okay, negative a value less than a times a b over 4, and over here it's a b over 3. So I mean, obviously, if you are subtracting 3 from this value, it's going to be a lot bigger. And if you're subtracting 4 from this value, it's going to be smaller. And already it's smaller. I mean, you can even cross multiply if you like. 4 times a b, and this is going to be 3 a little value smaller than b. You can cancel the b if you like. So I have two values. This is like bigger than this value, and this again is bigger than this value. Both of the quantities or the terms of quantity A is bigger, therefore there is no doubt that quantity A must be bigger. Okay, cool little trick, Nina. I really like it. Yeah, this is pretty awesome, even though I was not thinking about it. But yeah, it does seem to work. Cool. Do you have any questions relating to this method?
No.
Okay, cool.